Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Physics 2017 and the question goes thus. Which of the following explains why a compass needle placed at X and Y in the diagram above can settle in any direction? Please note that the point X and Y as shown in the diagram is the neutral point. And a neutral point is a point near a given magnet where the magnetic field due to the magnet is equal and opposite to the horizontal component of the Earth's magnetic field, so that the resultant magnetic field at that point becomes zero. This particular point is what is called a neutral point. That is the X and Y point. And at this point, that is the neutral point, the magnetic needle will not point in any particular direction, but will rotate if you move a soft iron needle over it. Okay, so let's check the answer options. The Earth's magnetic field de-magnetizes the compass needle. No. The magnetic field due to the magnet is doubled. No. The Earth's magnetic flux density is equal and opposite to that of the magnet. No. D. The Earth's magnetic field is zero. Yes, this is correct. So the answer option D is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.